Hey, Ali Sweets here, and it's been raining pretty heavily, and I opened up my door. And as you can hear, there is a lot of water in there, and look, it's even dripping down. But I think that one of these things is to take the water out. I don't know if it's this one. So I am going to try to see. Oh, there we go. If you just lift this flap, look at that. It is coming out. I don't know why it got trapped in there. It usually doesn't the first time, and there's a lot of water in there. And I'm making this video because, of course, I freaked out at first. I'm like, what the heck? During one of our last hurricanes, my Chevy Malibu was actually totaled due to the amount of water that it took. It was completely flooded. So when I heard water in my door, I was not happy about that. Like I said, I've never heard it in there before. But I just watched a YouTube video and it showed, actually I thought it was that thing, but I actually lifted this little piece by accident because I saw the water coming out of it, and there's the hole right here, right there. So I guess when it's covered, it doesn't come out, but just lifted that and it came out, so that's good. No, though, like if that needs to be. Let's check it now. Yep, it's out. Voila, it's fixed. So if you have a Nissan Sentra, this is a 2014, and you have water in your door, just go ahead and lift up that little rubber piece to expose the water hole, or like hole to get the water out.